bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ mo lè ta yín níbi tí ọpọlọ mi pé dé. Nígbà tá a ti bára wá rú kọ̀díṣẹ̀ tá a wà yìí tí wàá la wá fẹ́ ṣe àṣà lè jalè.
Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́, ẹ káalẹ́ níbi gbogbo tẹ́ ẹ ti ń gbóhùn wa. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí orí Òjíṣẹ́ TV níbi tí a ti máa ń mú oríṣiríṣi ètò wá fún wa lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ayé wa. Tẹ́yin náà bá wò ẹ fi kọ́gbọ́n, àwa náà á wò a ó fi kọ́gbọ́n. Ẹ bá wa like, ẹ bá wa share, ẹ bá wa comment sí orí Òjíṣẹ́ TV, pàápàá jùlọ ẹ bá wa tẹ notification bell so that a bá upload ẹ̀yin lẹ máa kọ́kọ́ máa rí ohun tí a bá gbé jáde sí orí Òjíṣẹ́ TV. Ṣé wá rí nǹkan tó mú wá fún wa lénìí? Ara ọ̀tọ̀ ni ó lágbára. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́yin náà jókòó kẹ́ wá lọ wo ohun tí a mú wá fún wa lénìí. Ó yá, ẹ wá lọ wò.
Hi. Okay, so this is just to put a balance to things. Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Agbala Gabriel. I don't know, is it Agbala Gabriel or Alagba Gabriel? I'm not sure which one is his name. But you people seems to call him more of Agbala Gabriel. Agbala Gabriel Ati Muyideen. Share ti video eléyìí. Màá try as much as possible kí n sọ Yorùbá so that ó máa lè yé so many people. After I dropped the video yesterday, just giving my one-cent opinion about the matter. Like I said, I've been seeing Agbala Gabriel video. This is not the first time I'm seeing Muyideen's video, but this one, the only reason why I'm saying anything about it is because I think so many people need to learn from it. So, after I dropped the video yesterday, what is in English? But the video, mo post video tàná, mo wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní rí so many videos, you know, of this Muyideen guy, and some video, you know, where Alhaji Oriyomi Hamzat, you know, tí wọ́n lọ bá wọn dá sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. And I felt the need to come and do the balance. So this video is for the balance. Agbala Gabriel might have done some things, and like I said, I have not hold him to high esteem because I don't know his track record. It just evolves online, and sometimes I like to give people time before I form an opinion about them. He might have done something. Oddly, teacher won't go come when boy no ni. Tí tó kù díẹ̀ káàtó. Agbala Gabriel ti ṣe àwọn kan tí kò bójú mu, and láàárọ̀ yìí mo rí pé wọ́n post láti apologize. Even though I have a problem with the apology, because this is the problem we have in society here. I'm apologize not because we are sorry. I'm apologize just to sweep the matter under the carpet. I don't think that he saw the need to be sorry. I don't think he regretted his actions or anything. I think that apology was just PR. And this is which is common to most Africans. But bottom line, he apologized. But that's not the problem. Àwọn kan tí mò ń rí tó ń fún mi concern tí ọ̀rọ̀ bá ṣẹlẹ̀ bá ẹ jẹ́ ká máa béèrè questions. Mo wá rí what's it called? Muyideen tó ṣe fídíò kan. Muyideen, ìwọ ni oní most of this video. Sórí ìka tó bá ti fóúnjẹ sí ni lẹ́nu rí báyìí. Ìka tó ti bọ́ ẹ rí. Èèyàn ò kì í gejẹ. Bó ní gbábá lọ́hùn ò fún gbá mọ́. Èyí tó ti fínlẹ̀ kò lè parun. This is the reason why so many people are where they are. Ìwọ yìí gan kò séyàn lára ẹ̀. I don't care what has transpired between ìwọ àti Agbala Gabriel. So quick for you to come out pé o fẹ́ sọ àṣírí ẹ̀ kíníkan ló gbé wọ̀. And anybody that knows me, ẹ mọ̀ èmi, mi ò like kéèyàn máa sọ nǹkan tí ò fìdí múlẹ̀. Forgive my Yoruba. Kéèyàn máa sọ nǹkan tí ò fìdí múlẹ̀. Ó sọ kiri ní ìsìn pé Agbala Gabriel ó ń bá ìyàwó ẹ̀ sùn. Interview àyẹn, watch this video first. Ẹ máa ní láti kọ́kọ́ wo video yìí. I'm coming back to react to it. Ó ló ń bá ìyàwó ẹ̀ sùn. Wọ́n bí evidence. You said you don't have your evidence is that tí wọ́n bá ń jà àti ìyàwó ẹ̀ ọ̀dọ̀ ìyàwó ẹ̀ ló máa fi ṣe. Ẹ wo video yìí mò ń bọ̀.
Gbogbo àwọn owó nǹkan kan tó wá ná fún yín kọ́.
Ṣé rí nǹkan kan tí mo rí ní orí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ni pé ẹ̀mí àgbèrè ló bà lé Agbala Gabriel tó fi ń bá ìyàwó mi tí fi ń bá ìyàwó mi sùn ní máa lájọṣe. Ẹ̀mí àgbèrè ló bà mí. Torí lóòótọ́ àti lódodo ọmọbìnrin yẹn nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi láti lò. Àmọ́ ṣàdédé ní ìwà rẹ̀ change sí tó di pé ọmọ yẹn ń ṣe àgbàlagbà kí n tó wá padà mọ̀ wípé Agbala Gabriel ó ti ń bá ọmọ yẹn sùn.
Kò tẹ́ ẹ̀ ká wọn. Orí Bíbélì ní gbogbo ẹ̀sùn.
Ó jọ ga pé ó jọ ga pé ó ti fẹsẹ̀ méjèèjì tiro. Ṣé bí làwa náà rí online yẹn? Ẹ wo Facebook, ẹ wo statement tọmọ yẹn comment against me now. Something is behind it. Ó tọrọ bá délé ká bára wa sọ. Something is behind it. Mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ wípé Agbala Gabriel ó ká ẹni tiẹ̀ ni. Ọlọ́run máa tẹ̀ tiẹ̀.
Àwọn tí wọ́n táwọn yẹn wá fún yín lórúkọ yín náà ti fún yín gbogbo àwọn nǹkan yẹn.
Inú àkáǹtì ẹ̀ ni gbogbo owó yẹn gbogbo owó tán donate fún mi inú àkáǹtì Agbala Gabriel lórí gbogbo owó yẹn wà.
So kò sí
Inú
kankan
àkáǹtì Agbala Gabriel
kò sí kankan táwọn kù fẹ́yìn àti.
Kò wọ́pọ̀ àkáǹtì Agbala Gabriel kò fún mi lásẹ̀sì láti wọ́pọ̀ àkáǹtì.
Báyìí ní tí n bá fẹ́ wá ìbúlẹ̀ wà báyìí ní fẹ́ wá yín.
Inú ọjà ilẹ̀ ti lè rí.
Inú ọjà yìí nìkan.
Inú ọjà náà mo ṣe wà ń ṣe àbí ń ṣàjẹun nígbà bá gbàrú ní orí ọjọ́ náà.
Ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ mọ tí èmi ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ yìí èmi dẹ̀ fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ dá mi lóhùn dáa. Tẹ́lẹ̀ ìbò tí tá a fẹ́ gbà mí ta parọ́ o. Torí lọ́rọ̀ yẹn nìsín tá a sẹ́ndẹ̀ sọ̀n láyé lánàá gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tó ń kọ́mẹ́ǹtì wọn gbàgbọ́ pé máa yẹn ń ṣe ibùdó ibùdó pásítọ̀ yìí ọmọ wòlíì ó ní láti pe wáìfì mi dàrẹ́tì lálẹ́ àná ní WhatsApp pé kó jọ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn òun ò gbàgbọ́ kó bò ń sẹ́ndì kíní yẹn live pé tẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé òun àti Agbala Gabriel àti gbogbo wọn dẹ̀ jọ wà báyìí ni tẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé gbogbo wọn jọ wà ní ó wá ń pè pé òun irọ́ ni. Obìnrin ò kílẹ̀ fi mọ̀.
Bàbá mò ń sọ èyí sì tún máa tún sọ dọ̀la Agbala Gabriel tẹ́yìn wò yẹn ṣé ń gbọ́ mi báyẹn ṣé ń sọ àṣírí ẹ̀ fún yín kó lé yín dáadáa ìmọ̀tara ẹni nìkan ló ń dà láàmú ṣé ń gbọ́ mi báwọn afẹ́ ajẹmọ́fẹ́ àyó tí fúnni lóko ojú ọ̀pẹ ẹrù tó ń dẹ̀ ní kò sí èso oore tí ó so ju rádaràda tó ń ṣe yẹn lọ jìbìtì ìwà jìbìtì tí ó máa lù nínú jìbìtì kódà níbi tó lè dé ó tún lu ìjọba ó tún lu ìjọba Ọ̀yọ́ state ní jìbìtì báyìí bí mo ṣe ń sọ yìí gbogbo orí ilẹ̀ káàmpù rẹ̀ yẹn ilẹ̀ ìjọba ní gbogbo ẹ̀ gbogbo ilẹ̀ ìjọba ní gbogbo ilẹ̀ tí ń bù tà fún gbogbo àwọn èèyàn yẹn gbogbo àwọn ilẹ̀ tó ń kọ́lé lé lórí ẹ lọ ṣe fáìndìsì ẹ̀ dáadáa ilẹ̀ ìjọba ní gbogbo ẹ̀.
bọ̀yìn àbá àwọn ilẹ̀ yẹn náà
sáàmù ni Agbala Gabriel
sáàmù
l'Agbala Gabriel so and then gbogbo àwọn tó ń kọ́lé fún lórí ilẹ̀ rẹ̀ yẹn kò sí ẹnì kankan tó fún ní dọ́kúmẹ́ǹtì lé ní gbogbo nínú gbogbo wa bá ṣe pọ̀ sí.
kò sẹ́ni kankan tó fún ní dọ́kúmẹ́ǹtì. Àwọn ìyá tó lò fún nílé àwọn ìyá.
Kò sẹ́ni kankan ní dọ́kúmẹ́ǹtì.
Now, from that video you saw, Muyideen, wow. Now, fẹ́yìn they were open-minded láti ronú. So Muyideen, Agbala Gabriel, ó ní àdúrà nǹkan báyìí sínú fún, and you did not come out on your own volition. kì í ṣe ìwọ ló sọ pé ará àdúgbò ẹ gbà mí o. Except if I'm wrong, correct me. Wọ́n rí èèyàn kan rí ẹ ní ọ̀dà Bódìjà tó ti ń ṣàgbàrù ni wọ́n fídíò ẹ tí fídíò yẹn go trending. So it wasn't you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where I'm going. Ejò lọ́wọ́ nù náà. Muyideen, àwọn tó pè ẹ́ sẹ́yìn mi ìmọ̀ nǹkan tó ń promise ẹ tí wọ́n bá ń tì ẹ́ má ti ra ẹ̀ ó máa sọ ẹ́ do lórí burúkú ni. Ó máa sọ ẹ́ do lórí burúkú ni o. Because gbogbo nǹkan tó wá ń sọ ń pa máa yìí nísìnyí. Ká ní wọ́n lo fínúfẹ́dọ̀ ọjọ́ kan tó. So nísòro Muyideen, ìwọ so ẹ jẹ́ kí n play ẹ̀ fún yín. Ẹnìkan rí Agbala Gabriel. Ẹ wo fídíò tí wọ́n ti rí yẹn. Tẹ́ni ṣe fídíò ẹ̀tàn ló ń ṣàgbàrò ní Bódìjà. Ẹ jọ kí ló ń rú mbẹ̀? Do you notice that the pan was empty? Ogbe pọnpọn sórí kò sí nǹkan kan nú ẹ̀. Lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ ẹni yẹn ti mọ̀ pé ó ń bọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀. Ó ṣe fídíò ẹ̀. Níbẹ̀ náà ló dẹ̀ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣe wòtòwòtò yẹn. Ṣó ti ní sínú tẹ́lẹ̀ ni. If something had been going on, you did not have initiative láti jáde. So ẹni yẹn ṣe fídíò ẹ̀ and within hours. Muyideen so ìwọ mọ̀nà àgídìgbò látijọ́ ẹ̀. Nígbà tó ń ráre tó dàbí wèrè ọjọ́ pípẹ́ tí màá yẹ rí ẹ tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tó pick ẹ up tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní republish ẹ. Kí ló dé tó lọ ságídìgbò ńgbà yẹn? Now, I've said it yesterday. I think Agbala Gabriel is wrong in so many ways, which I have addressed. Because gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣe fún ẹ kì í ṣe nǹkan tó fẹ́, and I feel like it deprives your right to choice for your own life. However, you have a right to say, no, I don't want. This is not what I want. This is what I want. But oblige. Now, I think personally that Agbala Gabriel is not an intelligent man. Yeah. Olùṣọ́ àgùntàn ni wọ́n, but I don't think he's very intelligent, because if not, you will have seen within the line. The first day tí man yìí tẹ́yẹ Agbala Gabriel pàdé Muyideen. Muyideen did not lie to you. He told you dead in the eyes that he can sell you. He told you that his brain is working. He told you. So Muyideen came with an agenda. Wọ́n pọ̀ nínú inbox wa. They go. Ẹgbẹ́ mọ́mí mi tá máa pè mí ní daddy. And you think I'm stupid? Help me. Poverty should not. There is no difference between poverty and witchcraft. So this is witchcraft. Poverty should not make you an idiot. The fact that you are poor, let's ask a question. Báwo ni Muyideen ṣe débi tó dé level tó wà tí máa yẹn fi rí egungun? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí tí nǹkan fi burú fún tó bẹ́ẹ̀? Ìgbà tí a dẹ̀ ṣe bára níbi tá a ti wà yìí, báwo ló ṣe débi tó wà? See, I want you to let us go back to the beginning and see. Ìjọ́ tí máa yìí tó pàdé ọmọ yìí, tó pàdé Muyideen yìí, how did it? How was it? I want you to watch this video. Watch it and listen.
Brain 100% sense. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ́ mo lè ta yín níbi tí ọpọlọ mi pé dé. Nígbà tá a ti bára wá rú kọ̀díṣẹ̀ tá a wà yìí, tí wàá la wá fẹ́ ṣe àṣà lè jalè. Àṣà máa rọ́ọ̀fù ẹ̀ náà ni àṣà jẹun. Jẹun náà. Àmọ́ rọ́ọ̀fù ẹ̀ náà ni. O lè ló bá ọmọ já ní jalè. Rọ́ọ̀fù ẹ̀ ní náà ni àṣà bàbá àmọ̀ pé àṣà jẹun. Sọ́n tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nìyẹn.
Iṣẹ́ wo lè máa ṣe mo fẹ́ kẹ́ kúrò ní títì.
Ẹ ṣe
láti máa ta.
Ṣé ẹ rí iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ tí mo kọ́ láàárọ̀ ọjọ́ mi? Ṣé ń gbọ́? Such as coil, element and wiring.
Ẹni ẹlẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́.
Such as coil, element and wiring.
Such and coil.
Such as coil, element and wiring. Iṣẹ́ tí mo kọ́ láàárọ̀ ọjọ́ mi nìyẹn. Àwa là ń ká kọ́ìlì generator. À ń ká kọ́ìlì àwọn ẹ̀rọ ọlọ́ta, ẹ̀rọ ọlọ́gì. Gbogbo anything coil tí ó ń tí pé anything pé kíní yìí o ó máa wine.
Mo bèrè lẹ́ẹ̀kan pé
láti fi
mo bèrè lẹ́ẹ̀kan pé mo
pressing iron.
Mo bèrè lẹ́ẹ̀kan pé mo níyàwó yín wà.
èmi ò tí mà rírì inú ayé.
ẹ tí mà rírì.
mi ò tí mà rírì.
ẹ tí ìfẹ́yàwó rí rárá.
bí mi ṣe wà á gan ṣé mi má tà yín jẹ. ẹ lọ́wọ́ tí mo wà yìí obìnrin ò lè làdí sílẹ̀ kí n korí bọ̀ débi pé màá kí nǹkan ọmọkùnrin mi bọ̀.
kí ló dé?
I am now 80. But later. Later.
Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni? Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni?
Mi ò lè mọ ọjọ́ orí mi mọ́.
Ẹ lè mọ̀ mọ́.
Téèyàn bá ti ń rántí ọjọ́ orí èèyàn, èèyàn ń sún ọjọ́ ìṣerere èèyàn sẹ́yìn ni. Téèyàn bá ti ń rántí ọjọ́ orí èèyàn.
Ibo lẹ ń gbé báyìí? Ibo lẹ ń gbé?
Àgúgù lèmi ń gbé.
Ẹ jẹ́ wọn tẹ́lẹ̀ ń tà yẹn.
Tẹ́ ẹ bá dé police station Àgúgù ẹ sọ pé ẹ béèrè ọmọ Ẹ̀yọ̀ tó ń ta ká ṣàjà nínú go-slow.
Náà ẹni sùúrù gbogbo ń tẹ́ kó dání pálí lásán ni.
Pálí lásán ni. Pálí lásán ni.
Pálí lásán ni.
Ẹ wò. Àwọn tó jẹ́ tuntun rèé.
Tán bá béèrè ọjà ǹtẹ́ ìbá ní ẹ̀wà sáré.
Àwa ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yọ jáde nínú àwa ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yọ tuntun.
Bẹ̀tì gbogbo ọjà tẹ́ kó nu bá gan ẹni mélòó ni? Mélòó gbogbo ọjà tuntun gangan.
Ojú ọjà tó tó ojú 15 lọ nínú báàgì.
Kí lorúkọ yín? Kí lorúkọ yín?
Tí wọ́n má mi sí ní Ìwó Road. Ní Ìwó Road.
Orúkọ tẹ́ ń jẹ́ gangan.
Ṣé orúkọ àbísọ mi gangan. Orúkọ àbísọ mi gangan Muyideen.
Muyideen. Ṣé máa rí mi ní church?
Ní church.
Ní church ọ̀dọ̀ mi.
Church ọ̀dọ̀ yín. Ìyẹn máa le díẹ̀ o.
Kí ló dé?
Èmi church. Mo mọ gògóró mo dẹ̀ ń mu sìgá.
Ìyẹn ò mí. Ọlọ́run nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín.
So gògóró àti sìgá ni máa ràn sí yín church.
Ọlọ́run nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín jù yẹn lọ.
Ọlọ́run fẹ́ yín jù yẹn lọ.
Ọlọ́run fẹ́ ebi mo ní ẹ wá.
Mi ò kí.
Èmi mo ní kẹ wá sí church. Èmi mo ní kẹ wá. Èmi amúsàn.
Mi ò kí mu gbó.
Kí ṣe kí ni?
Mi ò kí mu igbó. Mi ò kí mu gbogbo àwọn oògùn olóró yòókù. Ṣùgbọ́n ògógóró àti sìgá mò ń mu. Báwo ni ògógóró àti sìgá ò ṣe ní máa rùn sí yín ní church?
Kò ní rùn.
Tí mo bá wo àárín.
Ẹ̀yin wá church. Báwo ṣe dọ̀wọ́? Ẹ̀yin wá church.
Kí wá church?
Àwọn nǹkan tí màá bá yín sọ náà nìyẹn. Pé kẹ́ ẹ fi ayé yín sí Ọlọ́run. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ wo mo fún nọ́mbà ẹ. Ẹ wá sí church ọ̀dọ̀ mi ní Sunday.
Ẹ sú ọ.
Mo fẹ́ rí yín. Mi ì ṣeré. Ọjà tẹ.
Ibo ni church ọ̀dọ̀ yín?
Ẹ máa bọ̀. Kò jìnnà Olúwo ni Olúwo lẹ́gbẹ̀dẹ̀. Ẹ já ìgbà nọ́mbà.
Olúwo ni church ọ̀dọ̀ yín.
Ok, ṣe ní nọ́mbà tá a lè pè yín sí.
Wọlé ẹlẹ́dà.
Ṣe ní nọ́mbà tá a lè pè yín sí.
Now, you see that in that video, you hear him tó ń sọ fún Agbala Gabriel pé bó mo ṣe wà orí ń pé ṣánṣán. Orí ẹ pé bọ̀ kò dówó fún ẹ. Orí ẹ pé bọ̀ ò lè fi convert síbi ire láti fi ṣe nǹkan. So this man picked you up, decided to help you. He took, like I said, nobody does anything for nothing. I don't want to give a damn for anybody that is coming to say, Obi Muyideen raise owó. Wow. I hear that a lot. Kílé tí Muyideen yàn ṣe raise owó fara ẹ̀. Tí Muyideen bá bọ́ síta tó bá sọ pé ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà ràn mí lọ́wọ́ olórí platform ẹ̀, èwo ló máa dáwó fún nu yín. Ati Agbala Gabriel tó raise owó on behalf of Muyideen. Àtẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ dáwó bá Agbala Gabriel. Everybody have an agenda. Because mọ Muyideen bó dẹ̀ ṣe ríra àwọn yẹn kò sí ètí yóò dáwó fún nu yín. So he did not, if he raised money to help Muyideen, it is not Muyideen's money. Somebody have to use his influence, his personality to raise money. Is a favor. One of the problems in Nigeria, ni pé a máa ń feel entitled. A máa ń feel entitled gan. Kí ni yẹn dẹ̀ pọ̀ fáwọn akúṣẹ̀? Kó máa rò pé somebody is supposed to help you. No, nobody is supposed to help anybody. If anybody help you, it is a privilege. So tá Agbala Gabriel bá wá lo personality ẹ̀ tó gbé ẹ síta tó dáwó fún ẹ, àwọn aṣièrè kan má ṣàǹfààní kan tó ti ń rí ẹ ṣé bó ti pẹ́ lọ́jà tó ti ń ru gàrí tó ń ru èlùbọ́ṣu káàkiri tí wọ́n ń rí ẹ tí wọ́n ràn ẹ́ lọ́wọ́. Èèyàn kan wá gbé ẹ ó ń try láti, even though his decisions are not the best decisions, but he tried. See, those who are doing nothing should not be condemning those who are doing something. Those who are doing nothing at all should not have a mouth to criticize somebody who is doing a little bit. It is abnormal. It is wrong. This is the reason why we have a dysfunctional society. Àwọn tó ń rí ẹ tó ń ráre láti jọ yìí tí wọn ràn ẹ́ lọ́wọ́, Muyideen àwọn náà ń kó ẹ sí ẹ lórí nísìnyí tó ń sọ fún ẹ pé kó o sọ̀rọ̀ òdì sí máa yìí. Ó lè má ṣe tó, ó lè má ṣe nǹkan tó o fẹ́. Èèyàn ni, ó lè ṣe nǹkan tó o fẹ́. Ṣùgbọ́n kò sí ẹni tó rí ẹ báyìí. Àfi wèrè ló máa rí ẹ at this moment tí ò ní rí yàtọ̀ bó o ṣe wà tẹ́lẹ̀ àti bó o ṣe wà nísìnyí. Tọ́rọ̀ yóò bá wá wọ̀ mọ́ ẹni tó bá ní làákàyè tó o bá ń ṣe pé èèyàn tó fẹ́ kú sínú ìṣẹ́ ni ẹ́ tó ń ṣe ẹni tó fẹ́ rí ìbínú Ọlọ́run. You can just simply walk away kó máa lọ nílò ẹ̀. Tó bá ṣe wù ẹ́ kó dẹ̀ ṣe ṣayé ẹ̀ létà. Ìbálẹ̀ èèyàn ẹ̀bù èèyàn mọ́. So now let's play back. So ẹni yẹn rí láàrin ọjà. Ó wá fídíò ẹ̀. Within 2, 3, 4 hours. Muyideen ti dá gidigbo. Ẹ̀yin ò dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé jò lọ́wọ́ nú. Agbala Gabriel, let me talk to you real quick. I've seen video of somebody that says they should be careful of people that are around you that are working with you. Yes, you should. That happened to me recently. Somebody that I literally raised me. I don't know his father, I don't know his mother. Countless of time, long body for me, and I will forgive and I will move on. The people who can easily kill you are the people subordinate who you associate with. Àwọn tó ń ṣe ọ̀gásà. Wọ́n lè apani pọ̀ nù wọn. But you know where your problem is from. I can beat my chest to it. Àwọn wòlíì àṣírí tẹ́jọ wà ní neighborhood tó ń rí as competitor. Wọ́n ti kó sọ́mọ yìí lórí. Wọ́n fẹ́ lọ́mọ yìí fún ìgbésùbú ẹni. Ọlọ́run ò ní gbà fún wọn. But how? Think at it. Video yẹn kí ló Muyideen gbèrú? Nothing. You can clearly see this is a state management. I can beat my heart to it. Muyideen òṣàrò ní Bódìjà. Mo lè gba anybody létí torí ẹ̀ kò ṣàgbàrú kankan. They want to just create a narrative. Fiam ó ti lọ gbẹnu sí Mike. Ẹgbẹ́nu sí Mike àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà fẹ́ gbọ́ yín lọ́dọ̀ Oríyọmí. Wow. So ó ti gba ti Agbala Gabriel tán. Ó dà pé kò máa yọ múlà mọ́ torí wà iná ò dá clearly. Ó ti gba ti Agbala Gabriel tán. Ó ti fẹ́ switch sọ́dọ̀. Gbogbo nǹkan tó lọ sí lọ́dọ̀ Oríyọmí ṣé Oríyọmí fẹ́ ní Agbala Gabriel ni? Kan tún dáwó fún ni o. What have you done for yourself? See, a helper can only help you live. They cannot carry you to travel now. Èèyàn tó bá ń wá help, heaven will help those who help themselves. Èèyàn tó bá ń wá help wá tí ẹ̀ ṣiṣẹ́. Èèyàn lè fún ẹ lówó ní kó gbé ẹ dìde. But wọ́n lè gbé ẹrù kó forever. What have you done for yourself? Lẹ́nu láti ẹ̀ sísìn. Àwọn owó, okay, ó raise owó kò fún ẹ gbogbo ẹ̀. Èyí tó fún ẹ kí ló ti fi ṣe? Iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ wo ló kọ́ Muyideen? Let's not be sentiment about this thing. Iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ wo ni Muyideen kọ́? So Agbala Gabriel is supposed to be your destiny. Torí òun ò ní family, òun ò ní life. Òun ò ní bí tó yẹ kó lọ. But the people who have done nothing for you to help you. Fiam, ó ti sáré mọ̀nà Oríyọmí. Òdún ti fẹ́ lọ sí ọ́fíìsì síbẹ̀. That's how you will know that this is not just a fairy tale. There's a third leg to this. There's some people who are pushing this guy. Nǹkan tó dùn mí jù láyé mi tí Muyideen ṣe. You are now saying in that video pé Alhaji Oríyọmí báyàwó ẹ̀ sùn. Wow. Wow. And your only evidence is that you're taking side of your wife every time you have a dispute. First of all, you are an irresponsible man, and nobody needs to check that. It's obvious. So let me address that a little bit. Hear this. I know you people will not like it. Maybe men will not like it. Anybody that wants you to have peace of mind as a married man, anybody that wants you to be happy, anybody that have your interest at heart, anybody that wants your home to still exist, when you have dispute with your wife, they take the side of your wife. It is wisdom. Even when your wife is out clearly wrong, guess what a wise person will tell you? She's a woman. You should have addressed it with her differently. You should have. That you think that àgbàlagbà kan tó ní interest ẹ ní art, ìwà ìyàwó ajá, àwa máa scold ìyàwó ẹ fún ẹ. First of all, it is lame. It's stupid. Anybody that does that don't really love you. You know why? Not because they don't see what she's doing wrong, but because you see a man is saddled with high level of responsibility and decency. And one of the responsibilities is for you to be able to contain. At the end of the day, don't buy away with when someone don't mabasuni. They still think that you are still the one going on with this woman. All they want to do is to de-escalate her anger because it is not safe for you. My pastor will tell me to my face every time, anytime you come, you are guilty by default. And he meant it. He did that a couple of times. He will tell you, Victor, do you know that this same pastor will call me later and say, I understand what you are saying. Brother King, I understand what you are saying. But you see, you are a man, you are a priest of your own house. Be in control. That's what somebody who wants to marry to grow does. So if he's taking side with your wife, that's what he should do. That's what the pastor does. They will go back and counsel your wife. But by the time he made the infliction, it will make sense. You are the dominant in this house. The women are seen as the weakest one. So if you as a man, your mother or your uncle or your brother or your daddy, they are taking your side when you and your wife is fighting, you are not yet a man, you are a baby boy. And those of your parents want to destroy your life. They want to destroy your life. Now, this guy now said all of this innocence. So the problem I have with you, Muyideen, ni pé, so what you feel pé, just so quick. If this is not premeditated, tell me what it is. Just so quick, nísìnyí ó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ, ẹ̀mí àgbèrè wọnú Agbala Gabriel. Ìmọ̀tara ẹni nìkan ló ní, kì í fẹ́ afẹ́ àjẹ má fi àyó ni. Jọ kí lẹ́jọ́ ń pín jẹ, afẹ́ àjẹ má jẹ. Èèyàn tó bá fún ẹ lóúnjẹ ẹ̀jẹ̀, oyóòyó, afẹ́ àjẹ má fi àyó. Kí lẹ́jọ́ ṣiṣẹ́ ẹ̀tẹ́jọ́ ń jẹ? What have you done to this man? What have you ever done for him? Nothing. You have caused him nothing other than bitterness, pain, and anger. He is the one who can count how many things he has done for you. Now, let me wrap it up. Ibi tí mo ti rí pé ó ti wá yíwọ́, òun ni nígbà tán ní, òkè kí ló fẹ́ ṣe báyìí? Ṣé o máa lọ, ṣé o sì fẹ́ lọ ní àbúfẹ́ dúró? Ó ní kóun máa lọ sẹ̀. Wọ́n ní ìwé ilé ẹ̀rọ ti gbé, ó ní ìwé ilé ẹ̀rọ gbé wáyé kan gbé ìwé ilé fún ẹ. Gbọ́ mi, tí irú àgbò ìbọ̀bọ̀ yẹn tó bá lè sọ pé òun ò fẹ́ lésẹ̀ kan jẹ́ kóun máa lọ. Nǹkan ti yíwọ́ náà. Ó yẹ kẹ́ ti mọ̀ pé àwọn kan ti promise ẹ̀ ní nǹkan kan níbòmíì. Ṣé ẹ rí pé bó ṣe ń lọ yẹn ń lọ sí Bódìjà lọ ṣàárò ni? No, now. Kò sẹ́ni tó kù nínú ìyà tó bọ́ sínú atẹ́gùn gidi tó máa ń pray láti padà sínú ìyà. Like I said, which I said in my video yesterday, Agbala Gabriel was wrong by putting hands on him. And I'm not going to even water it down. I don't think there's no better way to say it's an abuse. I don't know why he decided to do that. That's first of all very low. That's inhuman. And it's a clear-cut abuse. But whatever the case may be, if you did not condemn Agbala Gabriel or commend him when he was doing everything for Muyideen, you don't have a mouth to criticize him now when he beats him. Ẹni tó bá ń fún oúnjẹ sínú lẹ́nu Ọlọ́run ẹni ni. Oye, Ọlọ́run ẹni ni. This is the problem we have in this life. Gbogbo dáadáa tó bá ṣe, àyà kan wò fì. Àyà wò fì. Aburú tó bá ṣe, wọ́n á tan halogen lamp sí ni. That is life for you. So, Agbala Gabriel, my advice to you. Christian, ma wá sí mi o. Muyideen is not your enemy. Your enemies are behind Muyideen. There are people who want you to fall so bad. àwọn tó fẹ́ gbé ẹṣubú wọn múra gidi. Muyideen kọ́ lọ́ta fi Muyideen lẹ̀, Muyideen kéré gan. At the end of the day, you miss it in some ways. Now, mo rí fídíò tíyàwó náà tán ní ṣó máa tẹ̀lé àbí wà dúró tó ní ohun tó bá lò òun ò lè tẹ̀lé òun fẹ́ kó dúró ni. And I've seen reactions, people criticizing the wife. The wife did not say, I'm not going with you, I want to stay. She didn't say that. She said, I'm not going, I want him to stay. First of all, the wife didn't. Ẹni tí ó bá ní sense nínú yín ẹ wọ kùyà girl yẹn ẹ wo Muyideen. Ṣé ordinarily ṣé Muyideen lè pàdé entity kí gẹ̀ yẹn fẹ́? Wọ́n máa ń fọlá àbàtàjì yọ ni. Ọlá Agbala Gabriel tó wo ọlá ẹ̀mọ́ lára pé àti bá fẹ́ ni yìí nǹkan á soft. Bàbá rẹ̀ ti yíwọ́ padà ní ìsìn ó fẹ́ máa rìnrìn àrè lọ. Anybody that sees that girl, ṣẹ́yìn òrùgbé kì í ṣe size, that girl speak good English. Muyideen báwo. So, she wasn't saying, I'm not going with you, I'm going to stay. She was saying, I want my husband to stay. She wants well for the husband. She wants because she knows what their fate will be if they leave. She's not saying, you go, I will stay. That's not, I listened to her over and over and over. She didn't say that. What she said was, I'm not going anywhere. I want my husband to stay. She was, in fact, Alhaji in church, she said, no, they people, no, mo fẹ́ kó dúró torí pé gbàtà wà ń bí báyìí. Things change. Again, this is where Agbala Gabriel missed it. I'm not sure why you think giving that guy a wife is a good idea. But I've said that yesterday, I'm not going to go back to it. You messed up. If you take a pig from the pig pen, take him to White House in Washington, D.C., bathe him with crystal and mirror oil and everything, put lavender on him. If he try to come out of the door, the first place he's going to is the mud. So, if you have not changed somebody's mind, you have not changed his life. You can give him, you can give him anything you think you are giving him. If his mind is not renewed, his life cannot change. And that's where you miss it. I hope you take the lesson, Agbala Gabriel. And I hope this event will make you tidy up. Only you. And when you want to Muyideen got a problem. And to Muyideen, I wish you good luck in your endeavors. Enjoy this momentary fame. Moribo Odishi TikTok. Enjoy this momentary fame. Those who are pushing you, make sure that they really change your life. Anybody who can do 10% of what this guy has done to you, let's see. Àwọn olórí burúkú tó máa ń tì yín background yẹn, wọn ò dẹ̀ ń ṣe nothing fún yín. Wọn ò ń ṣe nothing fún yín. Anyway, life lesson is this. Be careful how you help people. That's one. 2, don't you ever bite the finger that has fed you before. It will ruin you. Number 3, if you have not changed somebody's mind, you have not changed it. You will never be able to change his life. Number 4, those who hate your good are more than those who love your good.
Orí ohun tí a mú wá fún wa lénìí, ẹ bá wa like, ẹ bá wa share, ẹ bá wa subscribe sí Orí Òjíṣẹ́ TV, ẹ bá wa tẹ notification bell so that a bá tún mú àwọn àkọ̀tun wá fún wa, ẹ̀yin lẹ́ ò kọ́kọ́ máa rí títí di ìgbà tá ò tún máa pàdé lórí Òjíṣẹ́ TV. Ó dàbọ̀.